Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install pgAdmin 4 on Linux Mint 22.1. Then we will see how to connect PostgreSQL from the pgAdmin 4. Okay, open any web browser. Now go to pgAdmin official website, that is pgAdmin.org. Hit enter. See here, pgAdmin is the most popular and feature-rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSQL. Okay, click on download. Then for Linux Mint or Ubuntu or Debian type operating systems, we have to click on this apt. Click on it. Then scroll down. See, these are the commands that needs to be executed to install the pgAdmin. So copy this one. Open terminal. It is going to set the repository. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. It is done. Now create the repository configuration file. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. See the message here, it doesn't have the repository for this one. So go to cd etc apt ls, go to source list.d ls. In this pgAdmin 4 we have to give the noble. Okay, more pgAdmin 4.list. See, instead of this zia we have to give noble. Okay, sudo vi pg, give the tab, hit enter. Then come to here, come to at the end, remove this one, press I to insert mode, noble, save the file, wq exclamation. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. Now we will not receive the errors. Okay. Now install the pgAdmin. Sudo apt install pgAdmin 4. Hit enter. See, before we received error, now we haven't received. So type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Go to applications menu, then search for pg. See here we have the pgAdmin 4. Click on it. See, you got the pgAdmin console. Click on this add new server. Then here provide the name. Name can be anything. 17. Then go to connection. Here we have to give the host name or IP address. So I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC, so I am giving localhost. If it is some remote machine, then you have to give remote machine name or IP of the machine. Default port number for PostgreSQL is 5432. Postgres is the main database. User also same Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on save. See, we have successfully connected. If you want to run the queries, expand databases, click on database, right click and select the query tool. Then run the queries. Select start from customer, select it, execute it. See, we got the output. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install pgAdmin 4 on Linux Mint 22.1. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.